The PNI 6270 car multimedia player with Full HD and Bluetooth touchscreen is a cutting-edge and modern solution for replacing the old 2-DIN dual-format car cassette because it allows you to play MP3 music, videos, cartoons, and movies from modern storage devices such as USB memories or SD cards, in addition to the classic FM radio function that has been preserved. If so far choosing and finding an alternative to changing the 2-DIN car cassette was a challenge because it was related to either functions, price, or equipment, at this time the PNI 6270 with the touchscreen HD and Bluetooth Wi-Fi has succeeded to solve all these situations, bringing the customers affordable prices, modern features, Full HD color screen and touchscreen, audio and video player. The most important features and functions of this product include running newFull HD video formats that have the source of popular external storage media, MicroSD card or USB stick, and auxiliary input. The 7-inch Full HD color display offers great convenience both in menu navigation and product use, as well as video playback. Inbound video camera input, parking sensors that allow the transmissions of video clips on monitors or head restraints mounted in the car for children and passengers. With the PNI V6270 multimedia player with Full HD and Bluetooth touchscreen, you'll be driving calmly with Bluetooth hands-free calls and with the media player that will run for kids or other occupants cartoons or favorite movies during your travels.